Hey there, coffee and tea lovers. If you're on the hunt for a versatile and efficient coffee maker that's also tea-friendly, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Mecity Coffee Maker, a 3-in-1 wonder that's here to revolutionize your morning routine. Are you tired of juggling multiple appliances for your coffee, tea, and other hot beverages? The Mecity Coffee Maker has you covered, and it does so with style and convenience. In this in-depth review, we'll dive into all the features that make this machine a game-changer for your kitchen. Plus, I'll give you some tips on how to make the most of this amazing brewer. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's explore what makes the Mecity Coffee Maker stand out from the crowd. A 3-in-1 marvel, the Mecity Coffee Maker isn't your average coffee machine. It's a versatile 3-in-1 powerhouse. It brews K-cup coffee capsules, ground coffee, and even loose leaf tea with equal finesse. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a streamlined brewing experience. Stunning sleek design. First impressions matter, and the Mecity Coffee Maker excels in this department. Crafted from BPA-free plastic and stainless steel, it boasts a sleek and modern design that not only looks fantastic on your countertop but also saves precious space. It's a perfect fit for any kitchen aesthetic. 3 filters for your choice. Variety is the spice of life, and with Mecity, you have options. This coffee machine comes with 3 filters, one for K-cup capsules, one for ground coffee, and one for loose tea. Whether you're craving a bold espresso, a classic drip brew, or a soothing cup of tea, the Mecity Coffee Maker has got you covered. Customizable Brewing. Imagine having your coffee or tea exactly the way you like it, every single time. With the Mecity Coffee Maker, you can. It features a user-friendly touchscreen interface that allows you to choose your cup size effortlessly. Whether it's 6, 8, or 10 ounces, your drink will be ready in a matter of seconds. Easy maintenance with removable drip tray. Cleaning up after your caffeine fix is a breeze with the Mecity Coffee Maker. The removable drip tray not only makes cleanup a snap but also accommodates tall cups when needed. No more struggling to fit your favorite mug under the spout. Generous water tank capacity. Let's talk numbers. The Mecity Coffee Maker boasts a 1.7-liter removable water tank. That means you can brew up to 8 cups of coffee on a single fill. It's a fantastic choice for families or those days when you need an extra caffeine boost. Suitable for most cups and mugs. Worried about whether your favorite mug will fit? Don't be. The Mecity Coffee Maker can accommodate cups and mugs up to 3.7 inches in diameter and 6.3 inches in height. Whether it's your trusty travel mug or a special porcelain cup, it'll likely fit perfectly. Why you need the Mecity Coffee Maker? The Mecity Coffee Maker is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a game changer for your daily caffeine and tea rituals. Here's why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Versatile Brewing. Say goodbye to multiple machines cluttering your counter. This 3-in-1 marvel has all your beverage needs covered. Elegant design. It's not just functional, it's a stylish addition to your kitchen, making your space look even better. Customization. Brew your coffee or tea to perfection with customizable cup sizes, ensuring every sip is just the way you like it. Efficiency. With its large water tank and removable drip tray, it's designed for hassle-free brewing and cleanup. Family-friendly. Ideal for households, the Mecity Coffee Maker can serve up to 8 cups on a single fill, catering to everyone's needs. In conclusion, the Mecity Coffee Maker is a must-have for anyone who craves the perfect cup of coffee or tea with ease and style. Its versatility, elegant design, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice in the world of coffee makers. Don't let your mornings be ordinary, elevate them with the Mecity Coffee Maker. It's time to simplify your brewing routine and indulge in the world of customizable coffee and tea. Make this incredible machine a part of your kitchen today and experience the magic for yourself. Thank you for joining me in this review, and I can't wait for you to savor the exquisite beverages this coffee maker can create. Until next time, happy sipping.